Hi, we've had this collapsible microwave cover for a few years already. It can be folded flat to 1 inch for easy storage. You can also use it as a colander. You can keep it flat to cover a bowl of food if it's not full. If a bowl or plate is full of food, you can extend it like this. Or if there's more food, you can extend it all the way, then the top does not touch the food. There are little holes at the top here to release the steam and promote even cooking. The handle is easy to grip. It's made of silicone that handles high temperatures safely. It's safe for hot food touching. It still stays strong through daily microwave use. You can wash it in a dishwasher without any problem. We love it.